Biza is a tropical residence with full of life located in Ernakulam, Kerala. My name is architect Collin Jose Thomas from McTerra Architects and Designers, Kochi. Today I will be discussing our project Biza, which is across a plot area of 1.5 acres located right here in Ernakulam, Kerala. The residence was designed for a family of four, comprising a grandparent, a business couple, and their daughter. The concept was to merge the habitat to the natural surroundings with its tints, shades, and colors. The idea of zoning and the levels were to showcase the function and aesthetics into a single frame. We approached the design with the concept interweaving of spaces, where we initially placed the requirements and zoned into three: public, semi-public, and private. The home is located in the midst of a rubber plantation in the outskirts of the city, ensuring a pleasant and serene ambience throughout different seasons. Our primary intention was to merge and interweave the residential volume with the surrounding nature without disturbing its features and elements. The basic shape of the entire volume and the facade were inspired from the sloping terrains in and around the site, where we thought of merging it with the landscape. As we enter, opening the main door, we come across a spiritual node, which is also the central part of the residence. The circular patterns and characters of different scale and volume were added in different planes and surfaces. These details are mainly used in the wooden joineries, steel columns with wooden details, brick wall perforations, landscape, etc. The large openings for the windows bring more life into the residence, shaping it out to be a perfect Kerala home. Also, the incorporation of courtyards and terracotta roof tiles brings a microclimatic condition around. The majority of their life happens here, comprising the living, dining, kitchen, bedroom, which is meant for the parent. Different flooring materials were added for its spatial definition and linear architectural character. This entire space is fitted with a courtyard in one side and a pool on the other. Similarly, the parent's bedroom is having large pivoting windows, which are opened into the veranda, adjoining the pool and the garden. The high wooden ceilings inside the home adds a good visual experience and comfort to the people. This makes the space defined and dominant. Also, the wide collection of tropical plants adds to its definition as a complete tropical home.